Cooking with tinned food shouldn't mean messy straining and wasted leftovers. But let's face it, we've all been there. Meet the SIFTR Strain and Seal Set, a match made in kitchen heaven. We've taken our 2 best-selling products, refined them with the help of thousands of customers' feedback, and now, for the first time, they're available as a bundle. The SIFTR Can Colander makes straining and draining tinned food effortless. No mess and no hassle. Plus, they're perfect for small kitchen tasks, like catching lemon pips while juicing. You'll be amazed at how many other uses you'll find for them. The SIFTR can covers can be used with tins, jars, yogurt pots, and even cut fruit. They form an airtight seal to keep food fresh for another day and stop smells from escaping in the fridge. No more plastic wrap and no more waste. Both products are made of silicone and can be washed by hand or put inside the dishwasher. Thousands of SIFTR products are already in kitchens around the world with 5-star reviews. Our customers love how well made and easy to use they are. Now it's your turn to own the ultimate kitchen bundle. Join us on Kickstarter to simplify your cooking and reduce waste. Please support the project and share with your friends. Thank you.